Hi, welcome back to Smore Oreo videos.
Yeah, hi. We're gonna review Smore Oreo.
S'moreos.
Smore Oreo Kuka video today. It's the newest one, I think. I don't think we've seen it before. Or we have, I don't remember. Well, not since we started doing these videos, and that's what counts. So s'mores. When I think of s'mores, I think of summer. And when I think of summer, I think of The Sandlot. And when I think of The Sandlot, I think that scene where they're making s'mores in a treehouse. That's cool. So we're gonna go ahead and try these out. We're gonna try it out. Never opened them, so I think they're going to smell like. I think they're gonna smell like just regular Oreos. I think.
I think they're gonna smell like graham crackers.
Let's find out.
I was right.
Yes, he was right. They do smell like graham crackers. I think also the Kuka is lighter than the regular golden Oreo. I mean, darker. What?
I was more right than you.
Inside, you can't tell, but here. There's chocolate and like a little layer of white under it. Like that. So I think that's supposed to be the marshmallow and the chocolate, obviously. I think it's gonna just taste like a regular Oreo filling with a little bit of chocolate. I don't think it's marshmallow. I don't know. What do you think it's gonna taste like?
I think it's gonna taste like a lot of chocolate and just like a tiny bit of marshmallow and like the golden Oreos.
Okay, got one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Imagine my surprise when I found out that I was wrong twice today. I'm never wrong. And today I didn't think they were going to smell like graham crackers, and they did. I didn't think there was going to be like a marshmallow, and it is kind of like a marshmallow. It's very sticky, kind of like the disgusting Peep videos,
Hey!
the Peep Kukas that we tried that were gross. But this is not gross. It's actually pretty good. It does taste like a marshmallow, and it's got chocolate, so it really does taste like a s'more. The only thing missing is us setting these on fire, which we're not gonna do.
That's a fire hazard.
But these are good. Probably one of the best ones they've had in a while, so we approve. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I made a mess. Let's do that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Wait, we have to rate it.
Oh, you're right. I give it a 8.5 out of 10. What about you?
9 out of 10.
Pretty good ratings for these newest Kukas. So there you go. There you have it. Have a great summer. Not sure if we'll be back before it's over or until the fall. Either way, have a great summer. We love you.
And go Marlins.
Yes, go Marlins. Try it out, $23.95. Bye.